Brake light and traction control light on your dash. Don't panic. I'll show you the top 5 causes, and how to fix them yourself, step by step. No mechanic. No stress. Let's get into it. First, check your brake fluid level. Low fluid is a common reason both the brake and traction control lights come on. Open the hood, find the brake fluid reservoir, your owner's manual will help, and top it up with .3 or .4 fluid to the max line. Still losing fluid? You may have a leak or bad master cylinder, get that inspected. Next, inspect your brake light switch, located behind the brake pedal. If it fails, the system thinks you're not braking, even when you are. Press the pedal and check if the taillights light up. If not, replace this $10 part in under 10 minutes. Traction control relies on wheel speed sensors. If one is dirty or faulty, you'll get both lights. Find them behind each wheel. Clean them with brake cleaner and inspect for cracks or rust. Use an OBD2 scanner to pinpoint which sensor is causing the issue, it'll save you time and guesswork. Worn brake pads can also trigger warning lights in some cars. Remove a wheel and check if the pad thickness is under 3 mm. If so, it's time to replace them. Still not fixed? Check the ABS fuse and the ABS control module. Use a multimeter to test the fuses, replace any that are blown. A failed ABS module may need professional diagnosis or replacement. Fixing just one of these could turn off your dash lights for good. Drop a comment if you're stuck, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more DIY car fix videos.